In this video, you will learn about Codeium, your AI assistant for writing code, from providing autocomplete suggestions to the ability to search through code effectively. So, let's get started. Codeium is an AI-powered code completion and chat platform that offers a range of features to help you write code faster and more efficiently. It offers AI-powered autocomplete that predicts the code you want to type, providing intelligent suggestions that save you time on everything from boilerplate code to unit tests. Its search feature enables you to navigate your repository using natural language questions without the need to remember exact file names or use complex regular expression patterns. This approach to code navigation lets you quickly find relevant code snippets, making it easier to track down specific functions or implementations. Codeium Chat offers a helping hand to you by generating boilerplate, refactoring code, adding documentation, explaining code, suggesting bug fixes, and more. The platform supports over 70 programming languages, allowing users to explore different technologies. You can engage with other programmers and developers through forums, discussions, and collaborative projects on the platform. Codeium provides step-by-step tutorials that cover various programming languages and frameworks, making it easy for anyone to understand complex coding concepts. The website is designed with a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate and find relevant information. Codeium offers a free online playground where you can try out the platform by installing the Codeium extension in your IDE. It does not train on non-permissive code, thus protecting its users from legal risks. Now let's take a look at the pricing plans. Codeium offers different pricing plans to cater to various needs, ensuring that both the individuals and businesses find a suitable package. Its free plan is ideal for individual coders who want a free and customizable way to provide support for their coding process. Its unlimited usage of Codeium's AI-powered coding tools and support via Discord. The plan includes AI-powered autocomplete, intelligent search, and AI-powered chat features. Codeium's Teams plan is designed for small teams of up to 200 seats. At $12 per seat per month, this plan supports all features available in the free plan, as well as additional features such as a usage dashboard and advanced personalization. Upcoming features include GTP4 support and document searching. Codeium's Enterprise plan is designed for larger corporations. You can contact the support team to get a personalized quotation. The Enterprise plan offers unlimited seats, priority support, and training. Now that you know what Codeium is, let's see how you can use it. Visit the Codeium website at codeium.com. Go to the pricing page. If you want to try the free individual plan, click on Install. Download and install the Codeium extension to your IDE. 21 extensions are available, including ones for Chrome, Android Studio, Databricks, Visual Studio Code, and more. Assuming you want to work on the web, download the extension for Chrome, install it, pin its icon, and sign in. After signing in, you can start coding right away. To use the AI-powered autocomplete feature, start typing your code, and Codeium will provide suggestions to complete your code. To use the AI-powered chat feature, click on the chat icon and ask Codeium for help with your code. Codeium will provide suggestions for code generation, refactoring, and more. Codeium is a versatile coding platform that offers a range of features to help you write code faster and more efficiently. By following these simple steps, you can leverage Codeium's AI-powered autocomplete, intelligent search, and AI-powered chat features to enhance your coding skills and supercharge the development process. And there you have it, Codeium, its features, and how you can use it to create amazing code in no time. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any videos from us. Thank you for watching.